So here is a Reclaim AI tutorial for beginners. Reclaim AI automatically manages your calendar and schedules tasks and meetings for you, making it great for busy professionals and teams. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to try Reclaim AI for free and get started right away. After clicking on my link below, you'll be brought to this page. From here, let's go over to the top section and click on Pricing. So once we're here on the pricing page, you will be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with Light, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So go through them and choose whichever one that you want. Now let's head back and click on Get Started on the top right corner. Over here, we can continue with Google or Outlook. I will click on Agree and sign up with Google. Then you will see some advantages of using Reclaim. You can read through them and click on Continue on the bottom right. After that, connect your work calendar. Here, I'll select Connect with Google. Then, choose your Google account and click on Continue. You will then be redirected to the next step, which is to connect your personal calendar. If you want to connect it, you can choose between Google or Outlook, or just click on Continue on the bottom right to go ahead. Then choose what brings you to Reclaim. After that, what best describes your role. Choose from the options and then select what's your department. Just go through the options and select the relevant one. And then you'll be taken to the next step. This is where you need to select your scheduling mode. You can choose between proactive or reactive. You will get some options on the bottom here depending on which one you choose. Then you can just drag the slider according to your preference. Once you're done, click on Continue on the bottom right. Here, it says let's set up a few AI-powered basics. So go through these options and set them up according to your preference. You can also personalize your booking link. Once done, click on Continue on the bottom right. Here, you can create a team by inviting your team members by putting in their email. Once done, click on Finish. And as you can see, we're now being redirected to the main dashboard. Just give it some time to set it up. So as you can see, we are now in the main dashboard. On the left side, you will get to see options like Planner. So in the Planner, you will see the interface of your Google Calendar, and all the events you have added on your Google Calendar will be visible right here on Reclaim. You can view all the details of the meeting. You can also set yes, no, or maybe on if you're going or not. You can view all the relevant details of the meeting and also some more options. If we head over to the top here, we have option to find a time and also new task. If you click on new task, you will get to see this pop up. Here, just put in your task name. For example, work meeting. Then you can set the duration of the meeting right here. Just use the plus and minus icon to set it up. Then you can also put in the minimum and maximum duration. Then choose between any of these hours. After that, set the schedule after section and also the due date for your meeting. Once done, click on Create. Then just give it some time to get processed. So as you can see, it's now done, but Reclaim is still syncing, so it's not showing up on the calendar right here. Once it's done syncing, it will pop up on your calendar as well. You can also view your existing schedules just by clicking on them. After that, you will get to see a pop-up like this, which will show you all the details that you need. If you want, you can make changes to your plans as well. There are some additional options that you can use to customize your schedule according to your preference. Now, let's head over to the left panel and click on Priorities. This is where you can set different levels of urgency for your calendar events. We have options like critical, high priority, medium priority, and low priority. You can click and drag any event onto any section that you want. That way, the priority level for that specific task will change. You can also use the filter option on the top right to filter through different events. And if you click on the column section, you can set it to small, medium, and large. Now, let's head over to Stats from the left panel. This is where all the stats for your meetings and events will be visible. Since we currently have no data, there's not much information to show. but you'll be able to view My Stats, Team Stats, and Reclaim Recapped. So over here on Team Stats, you'll be able to view all the analytics for your team members. And on Reclaim Recapped, you'll be able to view a recap of all your activities. Then, moving on to the left panel, we have time locking. Here, we have the option to choose between focus, habits, buffers, and tasks. Time blocking is an AI-driven scheduling method that automatically divides your calendar into or blocks of time for tasks, habits, and breaks, ensuring that your highest priorities are protected. You can choose from templates or click on Create New Habit on the right. After that, you need to start putting in the details of your habits, starting with the habit name. So, as an example, I'll go ahead and type in something like morning walk. You can put in anything that you want. After that, you need to set the priority level for this habit. Then, choose the calendar you want to schedule this event on. You can also add a new calendar if you want. You can designate a color for this task and also the category. So you can choose between work and personal. You can click on Add Notes to add new notes and also add location. And on scheduling, you can customize the schedule for this habit using all of these options. You will also get to see eligible days just like this. The green dots are when you're free. You can click on them to choose them. You can also set the repeat options from here. Then, set the ideal time. Just type in your desired time on this box right here. After that, put in the duration for your habit. Set the minimum and maximum time. You can also add a start or end date. Just set it up according to your preference and click on Save. And after it's done loading up, you will get to see the details of your habit. You can check it out and make any further changes if you want. Now, let's head over to priorities once again. And as you can see, the new habit is added right under high priority. Now, let's check out the buffers option. This is where you can add your free time in between tasks, focus, and habits. And for tasks, this is where you can add and schedule all your important tasks. You can check it out from here or make any of your desired changes. Then we have meetings. You can use smart meetings to automatically find the best time depending on your and your team members' calendars. If you click on New Smart Meeting, you can start setting it up by putting in the meeting name. Then set the color and category. Then set the attendees' hours and location settings. You can also add a Zoom or Google Meet video link. So go through these options and set them up. And for scheduling, you'll be shown the eligible days and times. Then set the visibility for your meeting. Once it's done, click on Save on the bottom. Then we have scheduling links. If we head over to scheduling links, you'll be taken to this page right here. Scheduling links are AI-powered intelligent booking links for Google Calendar or Outlook that allows others to schedule meetings based on your real-time flexible availability rather than just empty slots. You can click on New Link on the top right and then put in all the event details right here. So after setting it up, just click on Create on the bottom. Lastly, we have Calendar Sync. If you click on Start Syncing Your Calendars, you'll be able to sync all your calendars at once. That way, you'll be able to avoid overlaps and any confusion between different calendars. And that's it. That is the Reclaim AI tutorial for beginners.